We finished seeing Pisa and now we are going to some smaller towns on the highway, and I think it's called San Miniato, a town on the hilltop. So let's go and check it out how it looks. Reached this place and now we are looking to find a place to eat and see what else is there. Let's explore this village for.
Thank you.
It's called also Piazza del Popolo. Okay. But first we have something to eat in this lovely restaurant.
Pizzeria restaurant.
Prego.
We are going to the tower. Let me take you on this walk. But the thing is, we should look at this noise. So many crickets. Torre di Federico. The weather is quite pleasant today. The tower. Cloudy, but it's really pleasant to walk this place. It's not too hot and not too cold. For those with wheelchair, could use the lift to come up here, and then it's easier to go up. They made a very nice terrace kind of garden. Just so beautiful. And I smell some jasmine. I do smell some jasmine somewhere. I think it was really beautiful, no? First trip,
Yeah.
it was not hot and
Okay, let me get this guy. Just because it goes to school up
yeah, but it was 16 controller velocity. That's okay. They'll probably figure out to do this. Yeah, this is the there's this sail also.
Yeah. You have to. They used to have 45 now because now they only have 2 trains.
Look, walnuts here. So sad.